어?
I guess other food.
What?
Fried food.
No, what you say?
Oh, noodle. So fast.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Eugene, beloved and free. So today I want to talk about little pack that has blotting puff and blotting paper. So if you're oily, you will have to blot your face and get rid of oil maybe every 3 to 4 hours. If you are acne prone skin, you really have to do this because the oil is gonna clog your pore. When it's clogged, then you are more likely break out. So it's better that you do blotting every 3 to 4 hours. But when it comes to carrying your blotting powder and the puff, it's a lot of work and it can be really mess because the powder, itself is very hard to carry around. I tried pressed powder, but somehow pressed powder doesn't work like a loose powder. Yes, it's easy to carry around, but it doesn't apply the same. When you apply loose powder, it applies more naturally and more evenly. So I like to show you what I have today. So I used to carry around Makeup Forever loose powder. This one is best loose powder if you have oily skin and acne skin. This one sets your makeup and your makeup lasts a long time. To apply this, I use Beauty Blender. So I carry Beauty Blender around and I carry loose powder around. So you have to just do this and put it on your face. But this is a lot of work. This is inconvenience. This is the blotting powder that I have because I have oily skin. So I have to blot my face every 3 to 4 hours so I don't clog my pores. This one is the brand is. I used the different kinds of blotting paper, but this is one of the best one I found. When it comes to blotting paper, do not use the bluish, the film feeling like paper, the one that you can buy from Walmart, Target. Those are not good for blotting because it not only get rid of your oil, but it also get rid of your natural moisture. So it's not gonna be good for your skin. This paper only get rid of your oil, so this one is gonna be the best one that you can choose. So I found out the product that I don't have to carry all those around. The product is, so basically it has puff inside, the thick and fluffy, and there is blotting paper. So you just take one out, just pull it and just use it. So you use the blotting paper first and you use the puff to mattify your skin. So this one doesn't have any powder. So this one is just a puff. It doesn't come with the powder. So what I do is I put a little bit of a powder on the puff. So I got a little bit of a here, and I can have just a tiny bit there. Don't put too much in here because it's not made to hold the powder. So I have just tiny little bit in here, and I have tiny little bit on here. So I'm gonna just put it here. Perfect. It's not messy. It's just simple. You don't have to carry all these three things. I hope this information helps you, and I hope you have wonderful and joyful weekends. And I'll see you next time. Bye.